Hey friends, it's Corey with Buying Houses Nashville. Inheriting a house can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it can provide financial stability and a sense of connection to family history, but it can also come with unexpected expenses and the potential for family conflict. There are many reasons a person may inherit a house, such as the passing of a parent or a grandparent, and it can be overwhelming and an emotional experience, especially if the inheritor has a close relationship with the deceased. Let's talk a little bit about the legal, financial, and practical considerations of inheriting a house and provide tips on handling any potential family conflicts that may arise. If the inherited house is located in a desirable location, it can be rented out for a steady income stream. This can provide a significant source of income for the inheritor, especially if they are still working or in school. Over time, the house's value may increase, providing an excellent return on investment. And this can be especially beneficial if the inheritor decides to sell the house in the future. Inheriting a house can provide a sense of connection to one's family and memories made there. It can be a tangible way to hold on to the legacy of a loved one who has passed away. Owning a house can provide security and stability, especially if it's in a location where the inheritor plans to stay for a long time. It can be a place to call home and create new memories with family and friends. On the flip side of all those warm and fuzzy reasons, inheriting a house also means inheriting the responsibility of paying property taxes. This can be a significant expense if the home is in an area with high property taxes. An older house may need significant repairs and maintenance, which can add up fast. This can be challenging, and the inheritor needs to be prepared to handle these expenses. It can be challenging to let go of a property with so many memories, making it hard to make practical decisions. Inheriting a house can also lead to family conflict, especially if many family members are interested in the property. It's essential to approach these conflicts with empathy and understanding and work toward a fair resolution for all parties involved. Mediation can also be a valuable tool in resolving family conflicts. A neutral third party can help in conversations and find a resolution in the best interest of all parties involved. Some legal considerations. The probate process is necessary to transfer the house's ownership from the deceased to the inheritor. This process can be complex and time-consuming, so it's essential to understand the requirements and seek an attorney's advice if necessary. After the probate process, the deed to the house will need to be transferred to the inheritor. This process can also be complex and time-consuming, so having all the necessary documents in order and working with a title company or attorney to ensure a smooth transfer is essential. Understanding the tax implications of inheriting a house, such as capital gains taxes, is essential. It's a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or a tax professional to understand the potential tax liabilities and ensure that the inheritor complies with all the tax laws. The inheritor will also need to get insurance for this house. That includes homeowners insurance and liability insurance if anyone is injured on the property. If the inheritor doesn't plan to occupy or rent out the house, it may be best to sell it. This can be a good option if the inheritor doesn't want the stress of owning a home and would rather cash out the equity and put it towards something else. If you have recently inherited a house, it could be a good idea to seek the advice of a financial advisor or an attorney to help guide you through the process. They can provide some valuable insight and expertise on your situation's best action. Additionally, many online resources can help you understand the process of inheriting a house and how to handle this inheritance's financial and legal aspects. With the right approach, inheriting a house can be a positive experience that allows you to honor the memories of your loved ones and create a stable and secure future for yourself and your family. If you're considering selling your inherited house, Buying Houses Nashville can help you navigate the process and provide you with a fair cash offer for your property. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for more information and to discuss your options. We're here to help. Hey, it's Corey Fager with Buying Houses Nashville. Every month, we're looking for a couple more houses to buy. If you've been thinking about selling, I promise it's worth having a conversation with us. You'll probably be shocked at how simple the process is and how easy we are to work with. Hope to talk with you today.